Right, welcome to the new series r/tech, where we check out the front page of the internet, that's Reddit of course, and we're going to scroll through the tech section to see if there's something that's interesting, something that's cool, something that's funny, something that belongs on this channel, I don't know. Let's go. So, technological innovations and changes. So first thing is, Facebook won't commit to not listening to your conversations. Yeah. So Facebook has consistently denied allegations that it listens to its users' conversations through their phones' microphones, but a new document suggests the tech giant has not ruled out doing so in the future. So that means that Facebook is right now probably listening to everything I'm saying. No, I'm not. There's one comment from Bob who says, I suppose that's fair enough at this point. With the number of data breaches, accidentally retained records, and repeated demonstrations that Facebook is not particularly trustworthy, I don't think I would have believed them if they did say they weren't. So this means that Facebook just confirmed that they are listening to what you're saying without opening the Facebook app. Hi Mark, how are you? You good? You good? Yeah. Uh-oh. Next, Apple will update iOS to block police hacking tools. So the thing is, police officers use a special tool called Grey Key to unlock dormant iPhones, so they can collect evidence when something happens from someone on its phone. Apple is going to block this in the future. I don't actually know why. There might be a good reason for this, so that you can't accidentally access a phone that you shouldn't access, but I do think that if this is useful for an investigation, then why not? I don't know. It's not like we have privacy these days. Microsoft Office is getting a new look, finally. So let's see how that looks. New and simpler look for Microsoft Office. So the icons will be redesigned during the summer, and Word will have a redesign, and this is how it might look like. So that's actually pretty fancy. This is online, of course, so I'm guessing they will update the apps as well. I use Microsoft Office each day on my work, so I'm hoping they will update it, because I've had some problems, not with the design, but with the software. For example, if I want to add an attachment in a mail, it doesn't work on my Mac, but hey, that's a MacBook for you. And then the last one, the iPhone X is dethroned as the world's top selling iPhone X. I said, shut up. No. Okay, we're just going to. I hate videos that start playing on the background. Really. If you're watching this and you have a site and you have videos playing on the background, stop it. You should stop that right now. Yeah. Quit that. Stop. Oh. I just clicked continue with cookies and I have. What I was going to say is that I just clicked continue with cookies. I didn't even read it, so I don't know if I'm going to have to give my kidney now. What even is privacy these days? Yeah. So guess what? The Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus is the new leader on the smartphone space, the top selling smartphones. And as you can see, it's over here. So it surpassed the iPhone X, also the S9. The regular S9 is also surpassing the 10. Then we have 3 iPhones in a row. The Xiaomi Redmi 5A, the 6, the Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus, the 7, and the S8. So the rulers of the smartphone space still remain Samsung and iPhone or iOS or Apple or whatever. And then you have a Xiaomi, which is some kind of Chinese, Japanese, Asian thing that sells a lot to the Asian people, of course. That's interesting as well, but not for European or American markets. And then we have a good comment from Lizard King 1987, 78. Well, what even is English? This war between iPhone and Android will never end, and unless they stop increasing prices, yes, of the new versions of their smartphones, I won't be surprised to hear them thank In the sales, I get increasing the price a little for a couple of upgrades, but some of them are super pricey. You'd have to sell your kidneys just so you can buy one. Yes, iPhones, Samsungs, smartphones, they're all way too pricey. Remember those days where iPhones like the iPhone 4S was only $400? That was already very expensive for me. I bought one at $400 and I was like, woo! Woo! I have a top tier smartphone, and now we're like 5 years past and the smartphone costs more than $1,000. It's just crazy. Where is it going to stop? This is something I talk about each day almost. Smartphones are so expensive that it's not normal anymore. They should stop this. Even OnePlus, I was so happy with OnePlus. They made smartphones for $400, max $500 right now. Again, they're going up and the improvements are little. One day this is going to stop because people ain't going to buy a smartphone for $1,200 or $1,500. They'll just stick with a cheaper phone, and then Apple, you're going to have a pretty big problem. Right, I hope you enjoyed this new series. If you did, leave me a like below. If you didn't, tell me what you would like to see in the future, and I'll see you in our next video. See ya.